What is it?
It's from Granddaddy.
It's for Granddaddy?
Yeah.
Who else?
It's
Who do you want to send?
Uncle Grant.
Uncle Grant. Who do you want to send it to?
For Uncle name.
Do you want to send it to Ava and Davin?
Yeah. And what's your name?
You gotta put your name on it?
Mm-hmm.
What's the picture of?
It's Uncle Grant.
It's Uncle Grant. I like that.
Better.
It's better? What do you want to do with it?
It's Uncle Grant.
We're gonna mail it?
Yeah.
What do we have to put it into?
That was soccer. That's for bikes.
Bikes?
Yeah.
And soccer?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.